Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto, and today I am here to show you 5 different types of annual cleaning trackers. Cleaning trackers are one of the things that I love. It's weird, I get it, but I do like having cleaning schedules and doing certain things on certain days. Sometimes that changes and it's hard, but overall I like to do things in a similar pattern. So I came up with a few different spreads for some annual cleaning trackers. So the first spread I have is this kind of annual breakdown where I have 4 different sections that have like once a month type of cleaning activities. The next section has weekly, so every week. That makes sense. So that has 52 boxes, so there's 4 different ones for weekly. And then there's bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks. That can also be called bi-monthly, so that has 26 boxes on each side. And that actually splits up really, really nicely in an A5 Archer and Olive notebook. And then under that I have every 6 months, so I have one column for the first 6 months, the second column for the second 6 months. I hope that makes sense. So you would do it twice in a year. And then one column on the other side for annual. The next one is a cleaning version of the when did I last. So you have, this is like when was this last done? It's something that doesn't happen on a certain schedule. It happens when it happens, basically. For example, oil changes, it can be a periodic oil change or it can be when you reach a certain mileage. So on the left-hand side, we have the cleaning task, and then the next column is for occurrence, and then the last column is for date. So if you have something that does happen on multiple occurrences, basically you can skip a line and then put multiple dates on that particular spread. Moving on, we have the Fly Lady zones. This is very popular in the community. So I wanted to basically show a layout of a house. This is my particular layout, kind of, for my house. So I have 5 different zones set here. So zone 1 is the entrance and dining way, the entrance way and the dining room. Zone 2 is the kitchen, pantry, and the hall. Zone 3 is the bathroom and the guest room. Zone 4 is the master, closets, and laundry. Zone 5 is the living room and office. So the point of the zones is that you can schedule them each week of the month. And so then you're constantly rotating around your house and making sure you're doing certain, like cleaning a big area of the house. So for me, it doesn't really make sense to do the entryway and dining room that way. I don't know why I decided to do that, but it is what it is. I don't do Fly Lady zone, so I don't know that much about like the most optimum way to do it. But basically, you just set a zone for the house and then you clean that zone once a month. Moving on, we have the tasks by room. So this is a similar concept where you're focused on different types of rooms and cleaning up around the rooms. So for the living room, for example, I put that vacuuming, washing the cushions, dusting, tidying the coffee table. Those are types of activities that you might do and what the schedule is for that. So it's not really meant to be a log where you mark off that you've conducted that activity, but more of a scheduler for what tasks you should be doing and where you should be doing them. And then, for example, the next section is for kitchen, which is like emptying the fridge and washing the shelves. So you can have different title in here and for whichever room it is, and then you split it up by room and task and schedule for that particular room. And the last one is progress circles. So these are stickers that I sell in my shop. And so basically there are a few different types of circles. There's one for 12 months, there's one for 6 months, one for 4 months, and then one for 2 months, I believe. So there's different segments that you would fill in for the types of activities that you have. I just put the rooms here because, I don't know, I was lazy. So one circle says kitchen, and so you would fill that in every single month, and then living room is also every single month. So you can see there's 12 different spaces there for each month. So that is the gist of it. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.